to my channel. This is your girl Mika. For those of you that are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload another video. So you guys, in this video I pretty much just did my makeup because I just felt like it, so I kind of recorded it. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, let me just show you guys. If you guys want to see how I did this look, just stay tuned for this video and let's get into it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, okay? Because we are going to be posting consistently. So make sure you join the family, join the team. Welcome everyone. And let's get into the video. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to go in this palette right here. So this is my palette actually. I'm still testing them out and to see if I like the colors and stuff like that. But anyways, I pretty much went in the pink that you guys see at the top. I did the pink as kind of like my transition shade, and then I went into the crease with the purple in the same palette. Y'all, for some reason every time I use this eyeshadow base to cut my crease, the shit burn my eye like crazy. Like my eyes started getting wet, it started burning, it started hurting me, and I'm just like, what is happening? So if y'all have any suggestions on an eyeshadow base that I can use to cut my crease, or something I could use to cut my crease to make my eyes not water and burn me, please leave it in the comment section down below, because your girl needs some tips and some help. Y'all, look at me using the wrong brush to kind of blend the thing out. I am dead using the wrong brush. Like, girl, what are you doing? Look at me, y'all. Look at that. That's funny. Nah, my eye kept hurting. Yo, what the hell? Okay, y'all, so after I fake cut my crease, I went ahead in a different palette, and I pretty much just added like it was like this shimmery kind of purple. I added that to the front, and then I went back into the melanin palette, and then the pink I basically just added to the end of the cut crease part. I don't know if that made sense, but as y'all can see what I'm doing. So for some reason, one side or one eye always look better than the other. Y'all don't judge me, but make sure y'all go on over to Melanin Touch Cosmetics to grab this lash glue. I'm also on TikTok at Melanin Touch Cosmetics LLC. So I pretty much just went in with some rhinestones that I got from the beauty supply store, and I started on camera, but then they were giving me a hard time. So I went ahead and I think I finished off camera. And one side was higher than the other, but okay, y'all. Then I went in with some pink liner. And it was so cute, y'all. I was like, oh, this is turning out pretty good. And after that, after the pink liner, I went in with some mascara, and then I popped on some of my lashes, and then I went into face. So I was gonna go in with this primer, but then I realized that it made my face way too white. So I went ahead and took it off. And after I did that, I went into my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I pretty much just added the powder onto my face to kind of give it like a matte look. Because even though I have dry skin, for some reason, right after I do my makeup, it's always looking oily or greasy, as if I had it on all day. So I just tried the powder to see if that would give me like a different look. And then after that, I went in with my foundation. I pretty much had like two different shades, because the first one was like a little lighter, and then the other one was darker to kind of balance it out. And then I just went in and blended all of that together. So for some reason, I couldn't find my concealer, so I pretty much just went in with the same eyeshadow base that I used to clean up my eyebrows, and I put that under my eye, on my nose, my cupid's bow, on my chin, basically everywhere you would pretty much put your concealer. And then I went in with the same Sacha Buttercup powder, and I pretty much just set it as if it was my concealer. I went in and I did that. A lot of the video did get cut out because my daughter kept coming in the video and messing with stuff. But after that, I think I did everything else off camera. I added a little blush, which I think I added too much, and I added some highlighter. I did some bronzer around my face as well, and then I also added some nude lip gloss with a brown lip liner to my lips, and that was pretty much it. Hey you guys, so this is the finished product. This is what it is looking like. This side looks better than this side, but anyways, whatever. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this video, what you think about the look. If you have any tips, any suggestions, anything for me, you can drop it down in the comments below, because your girl is still learning, and you know, anything will help. But yeah, so sorry I wasn't able to show you guys as much as I wanted to. My memory card kind of ran out of space, and I basically just finished up, and then I cleared off some of my space, so that I cleared off some of the stuff off of my memory card, so that I was able to come back and do this basically closing out for you guys, so you can see the final look. So this is what it looks like, and then I kind of just like pinned my hair up. It kind of looks like a little mullet, and it's so cute. So this is it, y'all. So tell me what y'all think down in the comments below. Oh my god, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you are hitting that subscribe button and turning your post notifications on, so that you are notified every time your girl upload another video. Y'all, I love these eyebrows. You see this one? I like this one. These are super cute. Oh my god, I'm still learning with the eyebrows, y'all, so bear with me, but I think it turned out pretty good. Tell me what y'all think. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let me stop playing. I'm always playing with my hair for some reason. Let me stop playing with my hair. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.